Let's solve one. 8 divided by 2 equals 4. Bracket, 4, and 5 minus 1, 4. When we remove the bracket, we'll multiply. Now, 4 times 4 is 16. This is the answer, but this is the wrong answer. Let's see the right answer, the correct solution. In these kinds of questions, we follow the BODMAS rule. In the BODMA rule, we solve the bracket first and then division and multiplication, which have the same priority. When both symbols appear, we look from left to right first. It's the same for addition and subtraction. So our question is, let's write it again. 8 divided by 2, bracket 5 minus 1. Let's solve it further. First, we'll solve the bracket. So 5 minus 1 is 4. So let's write it again. 8 divided by 2, bracket 4. Now, when we remove the bracket, we'll use multiplication. So it's 8 divided by 2 times 4. Now here, we'll look from left to right. So first comes division, then multiplication. We'll give priority to division first. So 8 divided by 2 times 4. 8 divided by 2 is 4. Now, 4 times 4 equals 16. This is the correct answer. Here we get 16, and here we also get 16. But this method is the correct one.